All right, the crypto market is still pumping. We're going to look at Terra LUNA Classic, Bitcoin, and the whole market, see where this is all headed. So let's go straight into it. So we have Terra Classic here. We're going to come back to this. First, we're going to look over at the whole market here, and the whole market up 3.69% today. We are back above the 1 trillion market cap for the whole crypto market. And yeah, a lot of things are pumping. If we look at the top gainers today, Aptos up 43% just today, and a lot of other things up quite a bit as well. If we go out to the past 30 days, things have actually really pumped in the past month. So Aptos up 400%, Threshold 200%. Solana making a huge comeback, up 119%. Decentraland up 100%. Phantom up 100%. Near 91%. Pretty much everything has just been making a huge bounce since 30 days ago. So yeah, pretty nice to see all these altcoins making a big pump here after going down about 95, 90, some 99%. So pretty nice. And like I've been saying, I think we are at the bottom of this bear market, and so right now and over the past 30 days, it's been a great time to dollar cost average into top coins. I mean, look at these. If you've been buying the bottom of this market, you've been making already over 100% gain on some of these coins. So let's go look at Terra Classic now. So we've seen Terra Classic really bottom out and just been going flat sideways for like almost 3 months now. So it's pretty much the price has been doing nothing for about 3 months. And yeah, the price has been super boring. Like I've said, when the price gets flat and super boring, that's usually the best time to buy, because usually it means the downtrend is ending and there's going to be a big move coming eventually. So because the big move, the big pumps usually come when nobody expects it, when the price is really flat and boring like this. So this is, in my opinion, a good opportunity to dollar cost average back into Terra Classic if you're still a believer in it long term. We've been on this support line for, yeah, like I said, almost 3 months. So it looks like we're unlikely to go much lower than we are now, and actually looks like we're starting to form a slight uptrend here. So maybe we'll see a big move up here in the next few months, hopefully. If crypto goes back into a bull market, then yes, I think we will see some nice gains for Terra Classic. I mean, like a lot of these altcoins have already started to see big gains because Bitcoin has been pumping the past few weeks. And the reason I think Terra Classic hasn't quite seen these big moves up is because it's still cooling off from this huge, I mean, it did like a 10x here back in the summer, or actually in the fall. This was like September. It had like a 10x gain, so you know, like 1,000% pump. So it's still cooling off from that. So it needs to cool off a bit longer, but towards the middle of this year, we could potentially see some big gains for Terra Classic if crypto goes back into a bull market. So let's look at Bitcoin, see where Bitcoin is headed, because Bitcoin is going to determine if we go into a bull market or not, because everything follows Bitcoin. So today we did shoot up to a new high here for the year, 23,800, and quickly wicked back down. So apparently some pretty strong resistance here. And yeah, we've been consolidating again sideways. We'll see if we can get a big move, break to the upside, or if we break down, then we'll probably come down to at least 21,000, maybe even back to 19,000. But zooming out, you can see we had this nice parabolic move up on the daily here, and going on the weekly, you can really get a good view of what's going on. So I think this was the bottom of the bear market down here, 15,400, and now we are starting our 3 years of bull market. So we did have this bullish divergence here on the weekly, which is very powerful, and looks like we're starting to see that play out now, where we're going to see a big reversal back to the upside. So yeah, we may come up to 25, where we have our obvious resistance here, and then maybe see a retracement back to retest 19,000 before we make another move up, and then eventually come up to this big resistance at 30,000. So that's what we're looking at here for the mid to short term. But yeah, if Bitcoin goes back into a bull market, we should see Terra Classic start making some big gains too, and we've already seen a lot of the altcoins starting to pump. So yeah, I mean, great time in my opinion to be dollar cost averaging back into crypto, because everything is on a big discount. I mean, you may not want to buy exactly right now because everything has pumped a lot in the past few weeks. There are still going to be dips, so for the rest of this year, whenever there's dips, I plan on picking up Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of these altcoins, the ones I like. So that's my strategy. We'll see how 2023 goes. A lot of you probably think I'm crazy. A lot of people still think Bitcoin is going to 10,000. I doubt we're gonna see 10,000, but we'll see. So yeah, looks like this bull market is starting, which means Terra Classic holders, we could see some big gains soon. And of course, you want to not just hold Terra Classic, but I would recommend diversifying into other coins as well, because look at this. There's a lot of coins that can pump very hard when Bitcoin pumps. So here for the short term, we're looking for a breakout from this consolidation. If we break to the upside, probably go to around 25,000. If we break down, we'll go down to 21,000, maybe even down and retest 19,000. So that's what we're looking at. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see y'all later.